Well, welcome back to another earthquake video for strongest earthquake of the day, and we're in Burma, or Myanmar, or whatever it's called. I'm gonna just say Burma because it says Burma on here. So, let's get down to it. 5.1 magnitude earthquake hit 33 kilometers west-southwest of Payu, Burma. Happened at 6:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and a depth of 18.86 kilometers. So, happened in the middle of the mountains, so, or jungle. This is more jungle. That's more mountainous. Okay, but either way, that's really about it. So, see you next video. Bye.